How you like me now? I'm reaching peaks, climbing mountains. Don't take a breath, get the count up in the thousands. If you feel fatigued, go find another league. You ain't got the stamina or knowledge like Britannica. On the other hand, I speak volumes in my volumes. Write columns at asylum, hear the lone wolf howling. Feel like H2O, liquid state to a solid. The blood turns brown until it finally clotted. The host of the solstice, it rains, it pours. Could I really be the coldest? I know, of course. Italic font, underline it, I'm the boldest. Constant concentration, don't lose focus. As a vocalist, yeah, I'm soaking this, approaching this, provoking kicks. I lay a float in this. Check the resume and the body of work. Feel it in the core and your body will hurt. Step 1, let me show you how I vibe. Step 2, I welcome you inside. Step 3, on a quest like the tribe. Step 4, leave it all behind. Step 1, let me show you how I vibe. Step 2, I welcome you inside. Step 3, on a quest like the tribe. Step 4, leave it all behind. You got a lot of nerves just to kick me to the curb. You got low class like a peasant or a serf. After my delivery, I discharge afterbirds. Slapping on the ass, back to cracking, smacking heads, it hurts. Backtracking, track packing it with many verbs. Early bird, get the worm and then you hear the chirps. Really